Hello viewers, welcome to CVS Maths class. Today I have come with a very important problems connected to coordinate geometry. The topic is applications of section formula. In this chapter, section formula problems are very important. I will show you these problems based on section formula. That is, find the ratio in which the line joining of 2 points divided by x-axis. They'll be asking in the examination. The same question can be asked. Find the ratio in which the line joining of points divided by y-axis. And find the ratio of line joining of 2 points divided by a particular point. This problem, regular method also I will show you, shortcut method also I will show you, and you'll be surprised that this problem can be solved within 5 seconds. Watch full video and don't leave in the middle. And if you leave in the middle, you will be missing. And I will show this problem, which takes at least half a page to complete this problem, can be solved within one step. So stay tuned and let me come to this problem for the regular method. So find the ratio in which the line joining of points a1 minus 3, b4, 5 divided by x-axis. I have plotted these points on a Cartesian system also. I will show you the Cartesian system also, how these points looks like on Cartesian system. Okay. Observe that point A is plotted, that is 1 minus 3. It is in the fourth quadrant. And point B, 4, 5 in the first quadrant. Okay. The point A and B, when it is joined, naturally it will be cut by the x-axis. No? So let me join from the point A to point B. While joining so, don't you see that this line segment AB is cut by the x-axis? So somewhere this x-axis cuts the line segment at this point. Okay, let this point be P. Okay, so that means what you need to find out, in what ratio this point P cuts this the line segment joining A to B, that is AB. So you need to find out the ratio of AP is to PB. So AP, let me take it as M, and PB, let me take it as N. You need to find out the ratio, that is M is to N. You know that on x-axis, the y-coordinate value will be 0, no? So let me take x is equal to x value as x and y value is equal to 0. This is how it looks on the Cartesian system. So in the question, what is asking? Find the ratio in which the line joining of points a1 minus 3, b4, 5 divided by y-axis. I plotted on the Cartesian system, and entire figure you can observe. And what you need to find out? The ratio, that is m is to n. You know the section formula we have discussed in the previous class. That is pxy is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny2 by m plus n. Since the point is on x-axis, I took the general point pxy as x0. Substitute the values which are given to you. A is 1 minus 3, that is x1, y1. B, 4, 5, x2, y2. So when these points are substituted in the formula, what you are going to get? That is pxy is nothing but x0, mx2, m into m is to n only, how to find out? M and n unknown values. Okay, m into x2 is nothing but 4, and n into x1 is nothing but 1 divided by m plus n as it is. M into y2 is equal to 5 plus n into y1 is equal to minus 3. So on simplification, what you will get? And x0 is equal to, on equating the y coordinates. Okay. 0 is equal to, why did I choose equating y coordinates? If I equate x coordinate, what happens? M and n are unknown values, x also unknown values. All three unknown values you cannot find out at once. Okay, so that means by equating, because 0 is there, m plus n into 0 will become 0. So that's why I'm choosing equate the y coordinates. So 0 is equal to 5 into m is nothing but 5m, minus 3 into n, minus 3n, divided by m plus n. Okay, then simplify or solve this equation. When you solve this equation, what you are going to get? Tell me. Solving the equation, m plus 5m minus 3n is equal to m plus n. 0 into m plus n, will it not become a 0? Or one step you write 0 into m plus n is equal to what? 5m minus 3n. So 0 into m plus n is 0. 0 is equal to 5m minus 3n. 3n you bring it to LHS. 3n is equal to 5m. Okay, sir. You need the value of m is to n. So cross multiply n and 5. So what you are going to get here? 3 divided by 5 is equal to m divided by n. So that means m is to n is equal to what? 3 is to 5. What is the meaning of this m is to n is 3 is to 5? That means this point P, which is cut by x-axis, divides the line joining of points AB in the ratio of 3 is to 5. That means A to P is 3 parts and P to B is 5 parts. So the ratio in which this x-axis cuts this joining of points A and B in the ratio of 3 is to 5. This is what this question usually they will ask for 2 marks or 3 marks in the board examination. Suppose this question is asked for 1 mark question. You need not waste this much time. What you have to do is just to take the points which are given to you. What are the points which are given to you? Let me write down the points which are given. A is equal to, what is your A? Point A is 1 minus 3 and point B is 4, 5. Okay, sir, that these joining points are cut by the point x0. You need, just for the sake of what is given, I have written, you need not write this much also. You can take from the given condition itself. We want m is to n. It is nothing but m by n. Just what you have to write is minus y1 divided by y2. That's all. It gives your answer. So that gives you minus y1 is nothing but what? y1, x1, y1, x1, y1, and x2, y2. y1 is minus of minus 3 divided by y2. What is our y2? 5. Minus of minus 3 is 3. 3 by 5. M by n is equal to 3 by 5. Then what is m is to n? Which is equal to 3 is to 5. That's all your answer. You got same answer. So this is just one word answer. Even orally also you can answer it. So otherwise, you can just write the answer. M is to n is equal to minus y1 is to y2, which is equal to minus of minus 3 is to 5, which is equal to 3 is to 5. Is it not amazing? So for 1 mark question in the examination, you need not waste this much time. Directly you can apply the formula minus y1 is to y2. It is nothing but 3 is to 5. It is tallied with the answer what you have calculated by with solving with so many steps. Okay, I think this formula can be used minus y1 by y2 when the line joining of points is cut by x-axis. Okay, similar question. One more question I have taken. The next question is find the ratio in which the line joining of points A minus 2 minus 3 and B 5 6 divided by y-axis. In the previous question, divided by x-axis. Now the line joining of 2 points is cut by y-axis. What are the points given to you? I already plotted in the graph. What you have to do is just join those 2 points and check how the figure appears. Okay. Let me join the 2 points which are given to you. The point A is minus 2, 3 and point B is 5, 6. Okay, sir. While doing this, this joining of points is cut by y-axis. Is cut by y-axis at where somewhere at this point. Okay, this point P. On y-axis, you know that this point I'll write here. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0, no? And y coordinate, let me take it as y. In what ratio this point P is cut by this vertical line? This is y-axis. He is asking in the question. So cut by y-axis, this again you have to find out AP is to PB. This line is cut by y-axis, not by x-axis. So let me take AP is equal to M. and PB is equal to N. Here also you need to find out M is to N. Again, I have written all the this formula, section formula, the points given to you, and the coordinates of the point P on y-axis is nothing but 0y. Okay, sir. So now even the values also have substituted. That is what is x1, x2, and y1, y2. And I have chosen the point 0y. The reason already told you. The point is on y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. What you have to do is, in the previous problem, we equated with the y coordinates. Here you equate with the x coordinates. So that is 0 is equal to what? 5 into m is 5m, minus 2 into n is minus 2n, divided by m plus n. Again, like last problem, what I told you, m plus n into 0, it gives you 0, is equal to 5m minus 2n. Then transpose minus 2n to LHS, minus 2n is equal to 5m. And you want m by n. N you cross multiply to RHS, 5 to LHS. It is 2 by 5 is equal to m by n. 2 by 5, this even p by q is nothing but p is to q now. So 2 is to 5 is equal to m is to n. That or m is to n is equal to what? 2 is to 5. That means the point P, which is cut by y-axis, that y-axis cuts the line joining of 2 points, A minus 2 minus 3 and B 5 6 in the ratio of 2 is to 5. That means A to P is 2 parts and P to B is 5 parts. The ratio is 2 is to 5. Now the surprising calculations I will show you here also. We want the same ratio. What is 2 is to 5 we got, no? Since the line is cut by the line joining of 2 points cut by y-axis, I have to point P as 0y. So in what you have to take here, you are equating x coordinates means just you have to take it is minus x1 divided by x2 is your formula. Is that a surprising value you are going to get just by substituting and simplifying this, or even orally also you can calculate this. So that gives you minus x1 is equal to what? Minus already there in the formula, minus 2. Minus of minus 2 divided by x2 is equal to what? 5. Minus of minus 2 means 2. 2 by 5. M by n equals 2 by 5 means what? What is m is to n? M is to n is equal to 2 is to 5. Did we not get the same answer? What we got with the half-page calculations nearly? Okay. I hope everyone enjoyed this problem solving. These are all very, very important problems. One are the other question, either line joining of points divided by x-axis or y-axis or by particular point, it will be given in the examination. Even this, you are not supposed to do it for a short answer or what you call very short answer question. This method you can try only for MCQs. And in case if it is asked for very short answer and short answer question, you can verify your answer by using this shortcut formula. I hope all of you enjoyed in solving these problems connected to coordinate geometry. And in the next video, again, I will come with a very, very astonishing formula when the line joining of points divided by a particular point. There also shortcut formula is there. That using that formula, you can solve this type of problem within just 5 seconds. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and please write your comments in the comment box so that how many are following, and if any problem is there, that type of problems also I can discuss in the coming videos. That's all from this video. I hope all of you enjoyed and stay tuned for the coming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.